Yes, it was very good quality. The target was to take the point for the pole, so we did it. So it's good start of the weekend. Steve did a really good car. We can push really hard, and I think for the race we will be very strong with Enzo very fast and Ryan also. I think we have a very strong package, and we try to give our best like Silverstone.
It's great. I had a really good test this morning also. I got up on the right side of the bed, I guess, and I was really fast in the morning. And then they made some changes for Steph to adapt it for his driving style to go for pole, and that was our goal. That point is going to be really important. This championship is really tight. So I guess Star Wars did it again and put it all together and gave him the car to do it, and it's unbelievable. I mean, we're the only Honda here, and we've been battling the whole year and showing that we're a team to beat.
No, a great job by Steph, and obviously very important just to get that 1 point. We lost some points at Silverstone, so it gets us in the direction we want to go. We want to leave here extending the points lead, and I think the car's been. I don't think we're completely happy with the setup, but we're making changes towards improvements. So that's what's most important. But I think, like Peter said, for the actual race between the three of us, that we're all pretty close, and by far the closest I think all three of us have been in any race this year. So and that's what we need to do. We definitely see some of the other silver drivers that are a little bit borderline on whether they should be silver or not. So it's important for us to make the most of it. Love the place, love the track. Happy with what I've done so far, and looking forward to a good stint and a good race tomorrow, and leaving here hopefully with a bigger points lead.
We left Silverstone a little disappointed. We had our lead cut down to 12, and adding that point for pole makes a nice thing. And the good news is it keeps pressure on the 25 car, and we know just putting out good results, eventually they're gonna stumble out there, and we'll be there just running our laps. Our car is fast. We have room to go on the car, and the nice thing is we have a real solid driver lineup right now, with Steph obviously getting the pole. Enzo did a great job out there without ever seeing his track before. He got the 4th fastest for the silver drivers, which is a criteria. As the drivers are ranked platinum, gold, and silver, everybody needs 1 silver, and Enzo's that, and he did good there. And Ryan did a great job with limited laps here, getting into a very competitive time that it just in practice would have put him fairly high up the grid. So I think once he gets going on his race pace, he's going to be pretty tough. So the good news is we're fast, and we can go out there, put pressure, and watch the 25 car stumble, hopefully get that lead back up after this race.